Hello guys, how are you doing? It's been a lovely day for me out here because it has been all walk. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you something different. I just want to see how we could make some magic together. Now, this is the finished part of this particular image. I could do a few things to fix this image, so let's go through this together as I try to make this image look more better. So first of all, I'm going to come here. So I have selected it below. Now for this particular image, I'm done retouching the image. So I'm done retouching and doing everything I want to do. I just want us to just do few things to this image, from the background to maybe color effect. So let's see if we could add a background to what we already have. It's a white background though, but we can actually put something behind and make it look more dramatic. Let's try this. So I am just going through it. I'm not like doing anything behind. So it's not like I have practiced what I want to do already. So we could go through it together. So it won't just be like me just doing what I already know how to do. So this could work, but the kind of separation I'm looking for is not there. So I'm going to look for something else. I know if some of you were here looking at me, the next thing you'll be doing is use that one, use that one. So let's see. Okay, let's try this one first. Let's try this one first. Okay, if I use any of these, I will have to bring down the opacity, which I don't want. Since it's a white background, let's look for something that will work for white. Remember, it's not actually white like white. So let's see. Now let's go to another folder. So we are going to go into, we are going to go into the folders where I have some other creative background. Here's backgrounds like this. So I'm going to take this and just put this there. Yeah, I feel this works better for me, for the kind of image I thought of creating. Yeah, this works better. So I am just going to do this, and let's duplicate and change the blend mode to luminosity. Okay, so we have blend mode on blend mode. So let's change the positioning of this and see how the both of them turns out. So let's bring this down a little. I think the rotating didn't come out nice because of the subjects in the image. So for this, we are just going to bring it down a little. Then I am going to come to maybe some other work that I've done, probably this one, and then pick this, the one that I've removed the background. Then I am going to just rotate it, keep it like this, then come to blur, then come to motion blur and give it this blur. It's amazing, right? This is the settings. You can bring it down if you want, but I really want that motion blur there. I want this image to be here, something like this. So I am going to bring this, push this out a little, keep it like this, make it a little bit bigger. Then for our body, Ctrl J, let me try something with the one in our body, still motion blur. I'm going to say okay. Then I am going to mask it out, then paint it in. because I just want it in some areas like around here. If you're hearing noise in the background, it's a church program going on in my area. Sorry. I'm just going to mark this part in, mark some of this. Then I'll just duplicate this and put it on the other side. Bring it down. Then I'm going to remove it from some area. I've on my mask, so I'm just going to clean this area off here. So we have something like this. So you're going to bring this out a little. We have something this nice. So we moved from here to here. So at this point now, I have already done everything I want to do for this image. So let's see what will happen if I go back and use one of my color presets. Mind you, the presets are out for sale. You could check my Instagram. From my Instagram, you see a link that will take you to the preset. I'll bring it to YouTube, but maybe some other time. So let's see. Okay, I am a fan of the whole light, the whole yellow thing. So you must have been seeing it in some of my pictures. So we are trying to look for something that will suit what is in my head. If I can't get that, then I will just have to, okay, this could work. Just click that. Now, to me, no matter how I work, I have to bring down my opacity or my flow. It depends. So I'm going to clean that from the face. I'm going to clean that from the face. Then I'm going to go to my reds on my selective color. Then push the red very high. Then clean it off the face. Then come back to another curve. Then I'm going to bring the blacks down. Then for separation's sake, I am going to come to curve and increase this end. Increase that end and bring down this end. So I have this, so I'm going to reduce it. Then I'll go back to the whole setting thing. No, before I do that, let me group all these layers together. Group everything. So this is the before and this is the after. So we can still reduce the opacity, the overall opacity a little. Then we merge everything together. Then we take it back to Photoshop. There is one particular preset I love using. It's part of the preset pack. Go check it out, which is this particular one. It gives it this faded magenta look. So that is like my end result. Yeah. So this might not be looking like what you like, but this is what I wanted to create for this image. So once again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you give me a like. If this video has helped you, also do well to appreciate me with a like. Thank you. And I'm still trying to see if I could do some tweaking. Bring my yellows and bring down the yellows. Okay. So this is the image. Once again, thank you for every single person that have been watching my videos. I appreciate you. I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.